Hello students, my name is Santosh Kumar. Today we are going to revision of chapter 1, which is tracing changes through 1,000 years. Dear children, before starting of this chapter, first of all I want to give knowledge about of medieval period, because in the class 7 we are going to study about of medieval period of time. So first of all students know about of medieval period. Medieval period divided into two parts: pre-medieval and post-medieval. Okay, pre-medieval period of time is 750 to 1205. Okay, this is pre-medieval. Okay, and next one is post-medieval. Post-medieval period of time. Post-medieval period of time, what? 1205 to 1750. Okay, 1750 AD. Okay, so overall we can say that 8th century to 18th century, this period of time is called medieval period of time. Okay, medieval period of time. So in this chapter we are going to introduction of our history, our history portion, because in this chapter have an introduction of all chapters, included all chapters. Okay, so now students, this is in your book have a two maps. In your book have a two map. This is map 1 and another one is next page have a map. This is map 2. Okay, map 2. So what is concept about of map? Because our chapter name is tracing changes through 1,000 years. We have now we have knowledge about of 1,000 years, because we have already discussed of 750 to 1750. So this is period of time 1,000 years. Okay, so that's the reason our chapter name is 1,000 years. 1,000 years. Now changing, which type of changing? Changing about of made of map between 12th century Al-Idrisi, who was the Arab geographer, who was also cartographer, make a map. This is map which made by the Al-Idrisi. Okay, in this map have detail about of Indian subcontinent. When you will watch properly, then you observe this is the southern part of India, which located in the north side, and this is also Sri Lanka, which located in northern side, and which is very big in comparison of at present of Sri Lanka map. Okay, in this map also mark places with Arab language, that means applied Arab language. Okay, now next map is, this is next map which made by the French geographer in 1720. That means first map which made in 1154 and second map made in 1720. Then approximately 600 years gap of both map. Then you can observe that both map how much difference, because this map which is very similar of at present of India's map, both map have shown Indian subcontinent. Indian subcontinent. This map is very similar of at present of India's map. Okay, and which made by the French cartographer in 1720. This map was used by European sailors and merchants. Okay. So, students, now you have questions about of both maps. This topic, from this topic, who was Al-Idrisi? Al-Idrisi was cartographer. Al-Idrisi was Arab geographer. Okay. Now, next question is, when Al-Idrisi made India's map? Al-Idrisi made India's map in 1154 AD. Okay. Next question is, when French cartographer made India's map in 1720. Okay, again I am repeating, in 1720 French cartographer made India's map. Now next question is, Al-Idrisi in Al-Idrisi map which language applied? That means in first map which language applied by Al-Idrisi? Arabic language. Okay. So these are the questions which ask, I hope so, in the unit test. Okay, so you all students prepare for unit test. Okay.